This beautiful Chrysler Sebring Touring Edition convertible is silver with grey interior. It is powered by a 2.7-litre V6 engine and an automatic transmission. It has power windows, locks, mirrors, seats, AC/AM FM CD MP3 stereo, tilt wheel, cruise control, anti-theft system, alloy wheels and many other options. This car drives as good as it looks. You will be the envy of all your friends when you cruise up with the top down in this beautiful convertible. At this low price it will not last long. Call Maxi Price Chevrolet 770-466-7000.